What you can and cannot send with cargo. Very first, let's summarize what we can send via cargo. What can you send with cargo? Book, clothes, shoes, chocolate, canned food, dry foods, furniture and household, electric stuff, TV, etc. Now let's summarize what you cannot send via cargo or list of prohibited items or dangerous goods. Will you please look at entire inventory of prohibited items or dangerous goods that cannot be shipped via general courier or freight to any destination around the world. The transportation of dangerous goods require additional arrangement and paperwork. Therefore, it will be helpful to ensure that the shipment did not contain prohibited item. If it discovered dangerous goods or prohibited item in the scanning, the cargo agent will charge you around £80 for scanning and £150 for handling charges. Lithium batteries. Lithium batteries contain items like laptop, mobile, iPod or any other device including lithium batteries that are strictly not allowed. You will face heavy penalties if you pack in your shipment found during a security check and scanning at the airport. Aerosols and gases. Firework and flares. Aerosols like perfume, room spray, hair spray, deodorant, air freshener, aftershave, nail polish remover, etc. Compressed gas cylinder, aqualungs, matches, fire lighter, bleach, money, item of exceptional value, negotiable items, prepaid cards, jewelry and watches, work of art, antique, precious stone, peroxide, explosive gases, etc. Flammable. Similarly, flammable, non-flammable, non-toxic, toxic gases, flammable liquid, solid substance liable to spontaneous combustion substance which in contact with water emit flammable gases, oxidizing substance and organic peroxide, toxic and infectious substance, radioactive material, corrosive, miscellaneous dangerous substance and articles including environmentally hazardous substance, oxidizing substance and organic peroxide, ammunitions, firearms, animal product, animal skins, non-domesticated, furs, ivory and live animal, perishable goods, plants and seed, foodstuff, printers, inks and toner cartridges. Printer without ink and toner cartridges are allowed via cargo. So if you want to send printers, you have to remove any ink or toner cartridge from your printers. Any fuel operated items, even this, are empty from fuel including kits, toy, fuels and paint. Lighters or heater fuels, paints, thinner, spring level, alcoholic beverages are not permitted in the USA and restricted to many other countries. Tobacco's product. Tobacco and tobacco's product, pornographic material, toxic and infectious substance, corrosives, miscellaneous and dangerous goods. Miscellaneous dangerous goods, insecticide, weed killer, weight cell batteries, acids and alkalis, apparatus are containing mercury thermometer, lithium batteries, self-inflating life jackets, dry ice, magnetized material, XSBA-GOO2 Review 1, air freight, hazardous good not permitted, air freight restricted goods. Customer declaration. The customer now declared that their consignments contain no hazardous or restricted goods as described in this section. Where such not permitted or restricted items are found, Access Baggage or Freight Forwarding Company reserve the right to remove these items and dispose of them accordingly, without reference to the customer. In such circumstances, the customer will not be liable for any compensation, nor will Access Baggage or Freight Forwarding Company be under any obligation to return or forward such item or give any notice that such things have been removed. Restricted item cannot be transported as personal effect by road, air or sea to most countries. Cargo agent requests to check customers with their destinations, customs where such goods are permitted or not. Charges are necessary for removing non-permitted or restricted goods by an airline, handling agents, consolidators, etc. These charges will be passed on to you together with an administration fee and the shipment will delay until payment. Fine. Any shipment containing undeclared dangerous goods will attract a fine of £100 to £500, even more, to resolve and remove this item or more as decided by relevant authority.